Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Lenovo Yoga 7i 2-in-1 laptop, and if you're into versatility, portability, and all-day performance, this one's seriously impressive. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. So let's jump right in and break down why the Yoga 7i might be your next perfect laptop, whether you're a student, content creator, remote worker, or someone who just wants a reliable and sleek machine that can do it all. First off, this model comes with a beautiful 16-inch 2K touchscreen display, and it looks fantastic. The colors are rich, the brightness is solid even in well-lit rooms, and it supports touch and pen input, which makes it ideal for digital artists, note-takers, or anyone who loves a more interactive experience. Whether you're watching videos, editing documents, or sketching out designs, this screen feels premium. And since it's a 2-in-1, you can flip it around into tablet mode, tent mode, or stand mode, super handy for presentations, streaming, or creative work. Under the hood, it's powered by the brand new Intel Core Ultra 7 155U processor. This is part of Intel's latest Meteor Lake architecture, and it brings a serious leap forward in efficiency and AI-enhanced performance. You're getting up to 4.80 GHz boost speed, which is more than enough for multitasking, productivity, light video editing, and even some coding or creative apps. It's fast, cool, and extremely energy efficient, which means you get more done with less heat and fan noise. Paired with 16GB of DDR5 RAM, the Yoga 7i handles multitasking like a champ. You can keep dozens of browser tabs open, stream content, run apps like Photoshop or Premiere, and everything stays smooth. DDR5 also helps with battery efficiency, which is crucial for a thin and light device like this. Storage-wise, you're getting a 1TB PCIe SSD, and it's exactly what you want in a modern laptop. Super fast boot times, quick file access, and tons of space for apps, photos, videos, and school or work files. This setup means you won't be needing external storage anytime soon. Connectivity is top-notch here too. With Wi-Fi 6E, your wireless speeds are blazing fast and super stable, especially if you're on a modern router. Whether you're on Zoom calls, streaming 4K video, or uploading content to the cloud, you'll appreciate the improved range and lower latency. A few extra touches that really make this device stand out. You get a backlit keyboard, which is smooth and comfortable to type on for long sessions. The keys feel premium, and the layout is really user-friendly. There's also a fingerprint reader, which adds that extra layer of convenience and security for quick logins. Battery life? Also solid. You can expect a full workday on a single charge depending on your workload. And because of the efficiency of the new Ultra 7 chip, it doesn't get hot easily, which makes it great for using on your lap or during travel. Design-wise, the Yoga 7i keeps it sleek and modern. It's got a durable aluminum chassis, rounded edges, and a slim profile that looks and feels great. It's portable enough to carry around all day, but still has that big 16-inch screen, which gives you a lot more room for multitasking compared to your typical 13 or 14-inch laptops. So who's this for? This is a fantastic choice for students, creatives, professionals, and casual users who want a laptop that's flexible, fast, and stylish. Whether you're writing papers, doing Zoom calls, editing YouTube videos, or just browsing and streaming, this laptop handles all of it with ease. And the 2-in-1 form factor adds so much value if you like working hands-on, especially with the touchscreen and stylus compatibility. Overall, the Lenovo Yoga 7i strikes a great balance between power, portability, and premium features. You're getting a beautiful display, a next-gen Intel processor, fast memory and storage, and all the versatility of a convertible laptop, without the crazy price tag. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you're using a Yoga 7i or planning to grab one, I'd love to hear how you're planning to use it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.